Kia ora, dino fans! I have a problem. Mr. Brachiosaurus here is super lonely. I have hardly any herbivores in my dinosaur collection. We need to find you a friend, don't we? So, I've got my Dino Tracker here. Let's have a look, see what we can find. What have we got here? Oh, Indominus! Oh, I think you're a bit too scary to be Brachiosaurus' friend, Mr. Rexy. I don't know about that. Pokemon. I wonder if we've got a Pokemon in there. Oh, I don't know. Let's have a look. Oh, blue, no, maybe not. Antosaurus, Toro, super colossal. Don't know about that. Oh, Indoraptor, Troceraptor. Some posters there. What have we got? My monitor. Oh, Giga. What the Spino? Oh man, maybe get a Power Star out of Mario. It's not quite friendly enough. What have we got? Oh, Rexies. What are you guys all doing back there? Indoraptor again, I don't know. What have we got in this box? Oh, Antosaurus? Yeah, maybe, but I think we need someone a bit closer. There's not much in here. Another Indominus. Oh, hey, quiet in there, Ray. No, you need a dino friend. What about... Oh, perfect. Little baby Brachiosaurus. Oh, I think we're in for the win. What do you reckon? Should we bring that back? You reckon, guys? I think so. We found the jackpot. Here we go. Oh, there we go. Dino fans, we did it. We found little baby Brachiosaurus. What do you reckon? I think that's perfect. Let's get this guy out. All right, couple of snips here. I'll show you first. Here's the close-up. Look at how cute she is. Look at that spin around. This is from the Dino Tracker range, Jurassic World. Super, super cute. Let's cut just a couple of ties here, so it should be pretty easy. Let's go snip and snip. I think that's about it. What do you reckon? Squish you out of there. Oh, you're free. Little baby Brachiosaurus. It's so cute. Look at that. Absolutely adorable. Wow, I love this little guy. Okay, come on in, guys. We're going to check out the close-ups. All right, here's this beautiful baby Brachiosaurus. Look how cute it is. So tiny. Let's go and have a look at his face. Oh, look at that. So sweet. Really reminds me of like Littlefoot out of The Land Before Time. But look, his mouth can open. Quite stiff, but you open that up. Look at that. Turn around a little bit. Hard to see in the light. Nice red tone. Beautiful teeth. Here we go. Go down, look down his long little neck. Look at that. Beautiful design. Got some great little paint going in there. I love the speckles on the back. Now for you Dino Tracker fans, let's pop that open. Look at that. See if you can scan that. Where's the focus there? Hopefully you can scan that. That'd be cool. Pop that back. There we go. We'll go down his tail. Look at that. The tail does move, so you can position that a bit differently if you want. Good little tail for whacking baddies out the way. Psh, psh, psh. Let's have a look at his legs now. Yeah, look at those beautiful legs, 4 of them, and they all move a little bit. A little bit of articulation there, so you can play with those. Look at that cool little muscles. Hey-ya, hey-ya. Now, let's look down the back. There you go, solid as. Oh, and the neck. Obviously the neck moves. Look at that, so you can be upright, you can be down to eat, which is cute. There we go, look at that. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, up as well. Beautiful, awesome figure. A must-have for your herbivore collection. There you have it, Dino fans, the super cute baby Brachiosaurus from Jurassic World, a must-have in your herbivore collection. Excellent companion for Mr. Brachiosaurus here. We're going to have some fun making some dinosaur videos with this guy. Hey, you want to check out some more epic reviews? Over here on the channel, we've got T-Rexes, we've got Spinosauruses, we've got everything. Antosaurus out!